Yo! Starting off with earned by time yet again. Current rate is $18 an hour. We got the first order right away, and it makes 0 sense. It's a Wendy's going like 7.5 miles. The only way that it makes sense is if the Wendy's next to them is closed, because I'm going like all the way across town and then all the way back up.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Go ahead when you're ready.
I just have a DoorDash order.
Go ahead and put purchase it going though. No, it's a few minutes away. Can I have it full for please? By the light right there.
Who would have guessed? Not me. I'm the only person here, by the way, so pretty convinced they don't start orders until you arrive.
Can you confirm order pickup?
And of course it's upstairs, because why wouldn't it be? Total for that ended up being $12. I don't know if that was worth it, because I am very annoyed already. And I got the next order. This is for Tammy's Bleepin' Kitchen, going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Only person here, and it was ready for me. That is strange. Total for that ended up being $12. Not bad, not bad. Just got the next order. This one is for Taco Bell. This is going to be 4 miles.
Why are you here to pick up?
Yeah, for Hamila.
Jamila?
Yeah.
You're all set. Thank you.
Oh, I also just got another one for Hannah.
You said Hannah?
Yeah. This add-on is like an extra 1.5 miles.
There you go.
Not me.
There you go.
Total ended up being $17 for those two. I think that was pretty good. I don't think they took that long. And I got the next order right away. This is for the Human Bean, going 3 miles. Oh, that is a lot of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with me. Well, 6, one just left. We're gonna be here for a while. Pretty sure I've said it in the past, but I'm gonna say it again. I will never understand people who are this desperate for coffee in the morning. I just don't get it. How do you have this much time to waste for a coffee?
All right, there you go.
I don't know how that takes so long. I don't understand. I don't understand anything anymore. Total was $11 for that. Just got the next order. This is for Carl's Jr. This is going 4 miles. Looks like it's just one combo, so I'm assuming the tip on this is going to be very, very low.
Have a good day.
Thank you. This pin is not accurate, and I should have known that because I've been here 1 billion times.
Your destination is on the left.
No, it's not. How did I know? $1 tip on that one. Total ended up being $7. This next order is for Gravity Coffee. This is gonna be, I think it's at 3 miles.
Oh, hey. How you doing today, bruh?
Thank you.
Sorry? How you doing?
What are the odds that there's a tip on this order? Hello. How did I know? 0 tip on that one. That total ended up being $5. What a waste of time. Just when I thought it was slowing down a little bit, we've got an Uber Eats order for Jack in the Box. $11 going 4 miles. you. You too. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Well, DoorDash just tried to send me 13 miles plus twice in a row, so there goes my dash for the day. But I did get this Uber Eats order. This is gonna be for Chick-fil-A. I believe it's at $9 going like 4 miles. Hello.
What's with the GoPro? I thought about strapping one of those to my 6-year-old and sending him to kindergarten.
So do you live around here?
Thank you. Not sure why everyone's talking to me today, but I am not a fan. Okay, I guess we're done for the day. I'm just not getting any orders, which kind of sucks because we were doing so well. Current time is 10:34. Current total, we are at 83, and I'm still waiting on one Uber tip, which should bump it up to 90 at least. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.